What's up? Today I have the Logitech G402 Hyperion Fury. Now, honestly, I haven't heard of this mouse before, but whatever. I was at Target today and I saw this. I got it for $35. Actually, $30 because I got it $5 off. So we're gonna open this guy up. By the way, obviously I have a microphone here, so things should sound better. And let's open this. Whatever, dude. Alright. That's one way to do it. So here we have the mouse, but I'm going to wait on that. I will put that over here. Let's see what else is in the box. We have a little thing. So this says copyright 2014. So this is a 2014 mouse. So this is a pretty old mouse. This is made 8 years ago now. Wow. So this is not a new mouse. I do not know how much it weighs, but if I figure it out, I'll put it on the screen right now. What else is in the box? Let's see. Little packaging for the inside. But I ignored that because that's just what I do. And there's one more thing. I assume this is the manual. Yes, this is the manual. And as before, when I've opened a Logitech mouse in the past, I have a Logitech G sticker, which you can put on whatever you want. And let's get to the main event. Now this is just a bunch of liability stuff. So we can put that aside. And there we go. Now, instantly, my first remarks, it has some interesting places for the feet. It has it here, here, and here. And these little things here. The back is built very interestingly. It has a nice grip. There are rubberized grips on this side and on this side. This is for right-handed people. There's mouse buttons right here. And you do not have a DPI button, interestingly. But, something interesting, there are two buttons right here. Right here. I do not know what they do. I'm assuming that they're just something to put it to. And there's also a button right here. So this button has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 side buttons. One here, 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 and here. It has a nice scroll wheel. And now here's a sound test. So, I do like the feeling of this. Now, something else we need to do is see how this lights up. So let's plug this thing in. There we go. There's a nice blue color. You can probably change this. I'll figure that out now and put it on screen. It looks brighter than it really is, but it's only decently bright. It is doing a breathing effect every so often, as you can see here. It's pretty slow, so I'm gonna quickly see how this tracks. This tracks very well. This is very good tracking. I'm very happy with this. It flicks very well. Does it spin out? It does not spin out, which is to be expected from Logitech. This feels very nice. There are a lot of side buttons. So the button right here has a little target symbol on it. You can see right here. The rest have buttons on them too. This one says G5, this one says G4. The ones on the top says G7 right here and G8 right here. You probably can't see those ones, but they are there. The design is very nice on this. This feels very nice to hold. So you can feel this button right in the front of your thumb and these two in the middle. This mouse is for medium-sized hands. You can definitely fit this with large. Claw feels very nice. Oh, this is definitely made to be a palm. Fingertip also does feel very nice. and you won't have to worry about these side buttons feeling there. I would definitely suggest a palm grip for this mouse, if that's what you're looking for. This is definitely more of like a League of Legends kind of mouse, per se. And something you probably wouldn't be playing for, you know, something like Minecraft or Fortnite or whatever. But you could still use that if you want to. It's just not what it's probably made for. The wire, which I've seen before, so the wire is not like braided or anything. It's just a normal wire. It's not flexible or anything. I mean, it's flexible, but it's not like, you know, the fancy stuff you see on the Pulsefire Haste or on the Model O or things like that these days. But again, this is from 8 years ago, 2014. This is stuff that just wasn't as common back then. Overall, this is a very good mouse. I wouldn't quite recommend it for anything specifically, because there are things better than it that you can get at the same cost that are newer. But especially back then, I could see this being a very good mouse, especially since it tracks very well. Now, that is it for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you around.